जॉब ढूंढने जाए तो एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, एक्सपीरियंस के लिए जॉब चाहिए, हम करें तो करें क्या? Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about a very important issue कि अगर जॉब नहीं है तो एक्सपीरियंस कैसे होगा और एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है तो जॉब कैसे मिलेगा. A girl messaged me and this voice note goes this way.
Whenever I apply for either some freelancing jobs or they would ask for experience or some past work, but how am I going to get experience if I have not worked yet?
Well then, I'm going to keep this video very short and quick. So she was talking about that she wants to start her own business, but she does not have an experience because wherever she goes, people used to maybe pay her less or get more work done, or maybe she said that she does not want to do things over there, or she was like, wherever I go in a good company to get a job or do anything, those people used to say that get an experience letter. Well, today, I'm here to address this issue and tell you people that it's okay to work for free in the beginning. And by free, I mean you need to understand where you are getting that value from. By free, you can do, if for example you do a data entry job or any, I'm not defaming or talking about any specific job, but if you do these jobs which are not actually giving you value, you need to understand that you are actually wasting your energy in the wrong place. Well, so what I mean by that is that you need to understand कि तुम्हें कहाँ पे value मिलेगी, तुम्हें सीखने कहाँ पे मिलेगा along with that experience letter. And in those cases, you need to understand that it is okay to work for free in the beginning. But remember one more very important point. If you are working for free for someone, you are trading that for an experience letter. You are not working for free. Remember that. But that person in front of you is not going to sit and give you value. By value, what do people feel is कि अरे हमको तो मालूम है अगर हम इनके लिए फ्री में काम कर रहे हैं, they are literally going to sit and say that okay, these are value bombs and you need to understand this and we are going to teach you for your future jobs. That will not happen. It is up to you. How do you find value from a job? That specific job ka owner is not going to come and give you value. Whenever you are working for free for someone or you're working in the beginning with someone, it is up to you. How do you find value from that specific job? How do you gain that value from somewhere? You should be observant enough, you should be smart enough to get the best out of that thing instead of just cribbing about it. So this is a very short video that I want to just wind it up, that whenever you want an experience, I think it's okay to work for free if you feel that you are not excellent in those skills. When you are working for free, it is not important that the person in front of you is going to come and give you value. It is up to you. How do you gain value from that experience? Or you have to observe and get those value and learn those things. And the third and the foremost point is, how do you apply that, or how do you actually keep that in mind is important instead of just defaming that company who made you work for free, or just saying that that company did not even give me value. So I hope it helps. Remember, it is okay to work for free until and unless it is not taking too much of your mental state. But it is also important for you to understand that if you don't have a job, if you want an experience along with later getting a perfect job, you need to sacrifice something. You cannot have everything together. You cannot have the cake and also ask for the cherry on it. I mean, I just messed up the idiom, but then yeah, you all understood if I'm not wrong. So just remember this thing, keep it in mind, that go for it. And now comes the most important point, that how will you actually work for free and who will you work for free? There are so many people out there, so many amazing companies, budding creators who are doing amazingly good, people who you really love, people who are amazing and who are your favorite creators. Trust me, this has happened with me. They message me and tell me that I am ready to work for you for free for these days. I want to find out that मुझे आपको बताना है मेरी capabilities क्या है. You are working with someone who you like. You are doing things with who you like to work. So this is how you get an experience. You maybe go on groups, just message that I'm ready to work for 7 days or maybe a month for free for an experience letter, and these are the things that I am going to give, these are the things that I am going to work on. It is that easy. Your experience letter is just one step away. If you want an experience letter before getting a job, it's just one step away, one message away that you want to work for them for free for this much amount of this much period of days. Not just this, there's another very very important point that I want to tell you people, that if you have experience and still if you're not getting a job, be observant of the things around you. For example, you have an experience, you know you're good at something, but you want clients, or for example you want people who you want to work with. Now this has happened with me. There was a boy who saw my story and then he was like, you are launching your YouTube channel, right? I am up to make thumbnails for you. And then I hired him. So you need to be observant. He saw my story, he knew his skills, and he just went forth and he messaged. So I hope this helps. Go conquer the world, and let's do something together so that y'all can be amazing at what y'all want to do. Just go ahead. If y'all don't have experience, message me. I will find something for you and I'll try my level best to help you in that case. I hope this video helps and gives value. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. This is Kanishka Thakur signing off, doing things for betterment. Ta-da!